Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to turn on light mode on WhatsApp Web on your PC. This feature is perfect for those who prefer a bright and clean interface while chatting. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the WhatsApp web page. Once there, scan the QR code with your phone to link your account and access your chats on the computer. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left side menu. At the bottom of this menu, you'll find the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click on it to open the settings menu. Next, select the chats option from the list. This will take you to a section where you can customize your chat settings. Within this section, click on Theme. Here, you'll see options for different themes, including light mode. To enable light mode, simply select Light from the list of themes. Once you've made your selection, click OK to confirm and apply the changes. Your WhatsApp web interface will instantly switch to light mode, giving it a fresh and bright appearance. And that's it. You've successfully turned on light mode on WhatsApp web. Enjoy the new look as you chat with friends and family. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for tuning in.